Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change color with magic wand tool in person. Let's begin. Select the magic wand tool, right click on your mouse, click the magic wand tool, multiple selection, tolerance 32, press enter. Then select the one color, you change, I select this color and remove selection. Then again click the multiple color, tolerance, okay. Then change the color, click the color palette and I use this color, hold Alt press backspace. Again change the color, hold Alt press backspace. That's it. Press Ctrl D. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.